Hello. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Maria. And you?
I am Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am great. Thanks.
Where are you from?
I am from New York. And you?
I am from Madrid, Spain.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. How old are you?
I am 25.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you?
No, I am an only child.
What is your phone number?
It is 555-1234.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Where do you live now?
I live in a small apartment in the city.
Is your apartment big?
No, it is small but very cozy.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
Is there a park near your house?
Yes, there is a beautiful park across the street.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I love coffee. Do you?
No, I prefer tea.
What do you have for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read a book.
Do you cook dinner every day?
Yes, I like cooking.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like cooking pasta.
Do you go to bed late?
Yes, around midnight.
I go to bed early at 10 p.m.
What are your hobbies?
I like swimming and painting.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar. Can you?
No, I can't, but I can sing.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Who is your favorite player?
I like Messi.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I go to the cinema every weekend.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read a lot of history books.
Who is your favorite author?
I don't have one. I like many authors.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Have you been to London?
No, I haven't, but I want to go.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak Spanish and English.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I have a driving license.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't need a car in the city.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
Do you like rain?
No, I hate rain.
What is your favorite season?
I love summer.
Why do you like summer?
Because I can go to the beach.
What time is it now?
It is exactly 3:30 p.m.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a famous artist.
Where do you want to live in the future?
I want to live near the ocean.
Are you going to travel this summer?
Yes, I am going to visit Italy.
That sounds amazing. Can I come?
Haha, maybe next time.
It was nice talking to you, Maria.
It was nice talking to you too, Alex. See you soon.